I'm going to explain how to add other expenses into the recap here. Now, notice that there's an underlined number or underlined numbers down the total column here. There's an underlined 0 here, and to the left of it, it says other material cost. What it means basically, or what it is, or its function is I can click on that and I can add other materials if I just want to plug them in real quick. Now in this example, notice how to the right of quoted material including tax, I'm going to click on this link. It shows 2478. And when I click on it, it opens up here. Now I already input this before I recorded this. I input $2,300. I was pretending that I got a fixture quote from my wholesale vendor, and I input $2,300 in here to add the quote. Now I'm going to click Save and Close here. That's how I saved it. Notice it displays a price here, $24.78. It added tax to the materials that I added and displays the number of quoted material including tax. Now if I scroll down a little bit here, you'll notice there's something else underlined here. There's other labor hours. If you're doing your estimate, you just want to plug other labor hours into this, and in a few minutes I might show you how to do that, but you just click on it and add the hours. Now what I am going to show you here is how to add expenses. If you scroll down here and look at expenses to the left, you click on the underlined 0. If you haven't inputted anything yet, it is a 0, so I click on the underlined 0. It displays a list of expenses here. Now they run off the recording screen here, but I'm just going to pretend, here I'll scroll down so you can see it. I'm just going to pretend, or I'm going to input some numbers for permit fees. Let's say it cost me $350 for permits. When you input the expenses, the program adds them to the estimate. So I click Save and Close. When I do, notice that the program added $350 for expenses. Now in expenses you plug in items like equipment rental. Maybe you rent a trencher, or you need fuel for the trencher, or you rent lifting equipment, man lift, scissors lift, scaffolds. Any rental equipment or expenses that you have, you plug them in here to make sure they're covered in your estimate. Also for subcontracts, if you happen to subcontract somebody to do some concrete work and you have to include that in your price, you'd plug it in right here under subcontracts. I won't show you how, but you can just click in that and play with it and see how it works. So that's how you add other expenses into the recap.